Hey everyone, this is Shawn and you're watching CTOBOB. Today we have an unboxing video. We're going to be opening the box for the Sony ZV-E10. This is the first generation. Now the ZV-E10 2 has come out since then, so this one is actually being sold online cheaper through sales. So right now on Amazon, this is on sale for about $100 off. So if you want to grab this product right now while it's on sale, check the link in the description. You will be supporting CTOBOB by doing so. The help is greatly appreciated. Now, this is a mirrorless camera, and the kit that we bought here is just the body. Now, this will be used to record our videos here because we have to shoot a variety of content. And this camera is specifically made for content creators. So let's not waste any more time and unbox the product to see what the first impressions are like. We have some documentation here. This can be set aside. Sony products, always nice. You get the autofocus that Sony is so good at. The body here, and this seems to be wrapped in some sort of paper. Interesting. They're not doing plastics anymore. I guess that's a good thing. And the body here. Now this camera is honestly very, very lightweight. My first impression, it's very lightweight, but it does not look cheap. Now maybe on the camera it looks a little bit plasticky, but honestly, it does not flex like. So we've used the ZV-1 in the past, and it has a built-in lens that goes back into the body. This is a APS-C sensor. Now this sensor does not have a protector on it. It's directly the sensor. And this is meant for content creation. So there's a really nice microphone here, although we will not be using this mic to record. Most of our videos are shot with a wireless DJI microphone. And we have here a really nice mount, which we don't get usually on this type of small camera. So Sony's really thinking about people who want to use wireless microphones and flashes and stuff like this. A horseshoe mount. You get the flip screen for recording yourself. That's really nice. And a microphone port. Seems we have connections here. Monitoring, HDMI probably clean, and a USB-C. It's very nice. You get a battery mount. It's very nice. Okay, so this, you have to manually lock it. All right, I see. Very clean. There's not much going on here. It's very, very clean, but it's so lightweight. Very, very lightweight. It is fun to have some sort of weight to your camera, although you want minimize because the lens is going to add on that. You want good glass. Although you have a small grip. I would have liked a bigger grip with a bigger battery. Some sort of electronic zoom for the lenses that support it. Although I don't know, it's not like a small lens. It's big lenses. Can't really do that when they're manually. Maybe it's a digital zoom. This thing is like fake rubber. It's just plastic. This spins. Holds like tight. It's nice. Honestly, it's a nice body. I'm looking forward to making some videos on this. Looks very nice. Let's see what else is in the box. But very lightweight. Can you hear that? It sounds like there's a spring in there. Oh, maybe for the battery. But yeah, it's very lightweight. It's a good thing. I don't think it's weather sealed or anything like this. It's very inexpensive. So you get one battery here. Does it come with a second battery? No, okay, it's, whoa, a wall plug. That's pretty cool. They have been skipping out on that. I feel like you don't see this anymore. This is very cool. Now this is really meant for the content creators out there. People who want to shoot videos for their YouTube channels that don't want to spend, $3 grand on a camera. What's in here? Oh, it's a dead cat. You can put not horseshoe mount. It's a cold shoe mount. I'm sorry, people are gonna comment about that. So it's very cool. It's like you're giving it a haircut. And so that's nice. It's a very nice body. And you get even a neck strap. Very cool. So that's all that comes in the box. Well, let's see if the battery has a charge. I actually have a lens here we can try with. These Sony cameras are really nice, very enjoyable to use. So there is no charge, but thankfully I come planned. I come prepared with these little batteries, which we will also link in the description. It's a very nice kit. I just charged these earlier, so it should be full. There you go. Select your language. That's right. Are we in daylight savings? I don't even know. Let's set the date. Today is October. I should have went the other way. Oh, I think we're the 15th today. Man, it is currently 7 p.m. Imaging edge. I don't know what that is. All right, so let me turn it off here and let's put a lens on this camera. Or maybe there is a sensor protector. I don't know. I think it's just the shutter that sounded there. Here I have the 16mm f1.4 by Sigma. This is a very nice wide angle lens. And because this is an APS-C camera, we're talking about a 1.5 factor crop. So this is the equivalent of a 24mm lens. Let's see if I can do this. Trying not to put dust on it. It's very tight. There you go. Now it's got some body weight. But yeah, speaking of the grip earlier, what I wanted to mention is, and here, for those who don't know, you can actually put these together with any combination, whatever the brand. Like, you can put your SD cards in here, and it's a little nice storage for your SD cards. Yeah, the grip I wanted to mention earlier. You can buy a small rig cage to add extra grip on it, but you're not getting extra battery. Oh, very nice. And the first impression here, we seem to have like a smart photo mode and video mode, which is what we'd be using here. Intelligence. How would one switch to manual? Probably up here. Nope. Menu. Interesting. If you hold SQP, I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research on this, but interesting. There has to be some sort of manual, but anyways, very nice tilty screen. You're gonna get that really nice Sony autofocus here, and we're getting that 1.4 aperture, which is very nice. 24mm is great for talking head shots, which is great for what we're doing here. It seems we're at 120 FPS, so this can record some slow motion, but this is not what I want. I don't know why I'm in this mode. Not really something I'm going to look into at the moment. I just got the camera, so we're gonna have to play around with it. This is just the first impression as I unbox. I hope you enjoy the first look at this camera. It is very nice. I'm gonna be doing a lot of content with this to come in the future. So thank you for watching. You're watching CTOBOB. Make sure to check out the links in the description, and I hope you have a good time. All right, enjoy.